Hello guys, this is Jarrell. In this video I'll be showing you how to cash out from GCash. Now it's actually really easy to cash out from GCash. You could just go to any Sari store near your area, and then that's it. You just tell them that you have to do a cash out. They'll be able to help you. But with this one, we're going to do it through the application. Now, how are we going to do it? Now, first, yeah, we've got the application here open already, and then all you have to do is to click on view all services. This one. Let's click on that here now, and then scroll to the most bottom part, and then click on cash out. Now here you will be presented with different types of cash out methods. Now you could do it like through just like what I said, Sarah stores. You could also do it through pawn shops or like any kind of department stores. There's a lot of different ways you could cash out. Now, usually if you go to a pawn shop, you will be um, handing you out a form that you would fill out, and then you could cash out money from your GCash application. Now, guys, that is how you cash out money from GCash. If you like this video, make sure to hit like and subscribe.